Hey, Math 7 students. So your next Khan Academy is called Comparing Probabilities. Okay, so let's get started on this one. Paulina plays both volleyball and soccer. Okay, the probability of getting injured in volleyball is 0.1. The probability of getting injured playing soccer is 1 over 10. So I always find this easiest to put everything in decimal form and then compare the decimals. So if you take 1 divided by 10, you get the answer of 0.1. Okay, so if soccer is 0.1 and volleyball is 0.1, then guess what? These two have exactly the same. And let me put a little red circle on that one. These are equally likely to happen. Okay. All right, let's do one more here. Let's go. All right, on this next type, Aaron, Elizabeth, and Anna are playing a game. Their probabilities of winning the game are as follows. Aaron has a 0.3 chance of winning. Anna has a 1/2 chance of winning, and Elizabeth has a 20% chance of winning. Again, I like to put these in decimals. So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So Anna has a 0.5 chance of winning. And 20%, if we were to write that as a decimal, is the same as 0.20. Or we could write that as 0.2. Okay? Because you just moved the decimal over 2 places. So we are to put these in the order from least likely to most likely. Well, who has the smallest chance of winning? Hopefully you're looking at that going, well, doesn't Elizabeth? Yes, Elizabeth does. Then, who's the next smallest? It would be Aaron. So Aaron here is in the wrong spot. So we need to move Aaron over to here. Let's do that. Boom. So we need to have Elizabeth and then Aaron. And then Anna's the most likely to win at a 50% chance. That's all you're doing, guys. Good luck on this. I will see you at Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.